students will put their engineering skills to the test to solve real-world problems in healthcare. ABC 57's Summer Haran is live in Mishawaka with one of the organizers behind the competition. Summer, good morning.
Good morning, Carla. I'm currently live in the St. Joseph Medical Plaza, where students will be working with Legos and real-life equipment to kind of get that hands-on engineering experience in a real working environment. And currently with me now is Dr. Reddy. He's been working with South Bend Orthopedics for almost 4.5 years now. And good morning, and thank you for being with us.
Good morning, Summer. Thank you for having me.
Yeah, thanks so much. And how are we doing this morning? Kind of why are we all here?
So we're doing really well. We're here to encourage the kids in the local community to get interested in robotics. For the past few years, St. Joseph Regional Medical Center has been participating with the local organization with Gears to help local kids get more interested in robots by sponsoring these robotic competitions. Kids are competing to show off their skills, and at the end of the competition, the winner of the grand prize is to name our new spine robot that we've been using for the last 6 months here at the medical center.
And I think that spine robot is like the coolest thing ever, and all the students are going to be loving it. It's called the Globus Excelsius GPS, correct?
That's correct, and it's a robot that we use in spine surgery, either minimally invasive surgery or large complex spine surgery cases, to place our screws in the spine very accurately. So the mainstay of spinal surgery is to place screws and correct either deformity or instability, or sometimes just put the spine back together when we're done removing compression of the nerves, and this allows us to do it in a way that we've never been able to before.
And could you possibly show us a little bit on kind of what this robot can do?
Sure, of course. So how this usually starts is we will take a CT scan of a patient, and the night before I get to sit down with a tablet and a nice cup of tea and plan out all of my screws and really to a high degree decide where I want my screws to be. So you can take a screw the night before or the day of, and you can control with very, very fine movements where that screw will go and where you want that position to be. And once you're happy with your plan, we will open in the operating room like we would a traditional surgery and execute our plan. So if we pick a screw that we want to put in, we have this robotic arm and a camera that sees the robotic arm. And as I tell the arm where to go, it will move into position and allows me as a surgeon with my hands to control what I'm doing, but to a degree that we never could before.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for sharing this incredible piece of equipment with us, and thank you for being with me this morning.
No problem. Thanks for having me, and good luck to all the kids.
Thanks so much. And coming up here in just about 30 minutes, we'll be speaking with the Gears owner, Scott Chase, who will be telling us a little more about what those kids will be able to do today. And I'm live currently in the St. Joseph Medical Plaza, sending it back to you in the studio, Carla.